Hi guys, welcome to my channel. First click to start, click on setting, then click to app, then install app. Okay, after that first this camera, find out the camera and then click to three dot and then advanced option, scroll down, click to reset and then again click to repair it. Okay, then close it, then click to start, type device manager, right click, open it. After that find out the camera, extract this is your camera, right click to uninstall. First click to uninstall, then after that click to action, then click scan hardware changes, and after that it will come back. Right click to update driver and search automatically update, and then close it. Okay, then close it. Again need to repair and reset. Click to start app, install app, then click three dot, then advanced options, scroll down and reset and repair it. Okay, next enable camera permissions, so click to start, then click to setting. Okay, it's complete, and then try to next step. Close it, then again click to start, go to setting, click privacy and setting, privacy and security, second last, and then scroll down, click on camera, make sure it is, if it is off, so guys click on on, and giving this access, which is where it is. Suppose if you turn off here in Microsoft team, so isn't work. Okay, so turn on which is your required app and then close it. Then next reset the windows, restart windows camera service. So click to start, type and services. Okay, right click to run as administrator, and then find out the windows camera frame, press windows camera frame, double click it, select the automatic, and if it is stop, so click to start. Okay, and click to apply and then okay, select this windows camera frame and left hand side click on reset. Okay, then next close it. Next install the driver, open any browser, to type the first google.com. Okay, and then type, enter the model number. If you are using suppose Dell, Asus, Lenovo, any, so you type the model number of your laptop and then type camera driver, download. Okay, and then hit enter. After that you can see it will get the official website, click on it. And if you are using different, so if you are confused to driver, you just comment me, I will support you. And this is a, you can see driver, and this is a camera driver. Okay, click to download, so it will start again. So like this, Realtek camera driver. It is completed, then click single click to open it. After that click on install. Now it is installing, and do not restart because of I have one more command to repair your windows, so click to no, After next step, need to restart. Okay, so click to start, type setting, and then right click to run as administrator, and then type this command and then hit. And this command I will give you in description, so you can just copy paste, otherwise you can type them manually. Okay, and this is the first, and next second command will start like that. Okay, so it will stop in the middle. You just select this and hit enter, and type this sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. So same, it is start the percentage and it will complete, then restart your system, and then please check it, guys. Thank you.